Hey there, I'm Nick Popovich, PlexTrac Hacker in Residence. Welcome to the PlexTrac ProTips, a video series of quick tips and tricks for maximizing how you use PlexTrac. Brought to you by me and my fellow PlexTrac super users to share cool features and uses that we hope will make your work even more effective and efficient. Have a unique PlexTrac use case or tip of your own? Share in the comments. Now, let's get to our pro tip. Let's look at functionality within PlexTrac that allows you to add assets at the client level. The workflow is manually adding findings during an assessment and then also associating assets to those findings. If we look at this client and look at the assets, we notice there's nothing here. Let's import some assets. The XML format of an NMAP scan is what I'm going to choose today. Once I upload the NMAP data, we see the assets have been filled in. Looking into the asset, we see the metadata associated with it, as well as the ports, protocols, and services. We go back to this client, we can create a report. I'm going to demonstrate adding a finding from Write-Up's database. Once I've added the finding, there are no assets associated with it. We're going to add an existing asset. We can choose from the drop-down or use the free text search. You can add as many assets as you like to the finding. We'll look at other ways to associate and add assets in other videos.